Hi, yes. Good morning to everyone. So today I'm going to explain about that mathematics only. But previous class also we explained about the similar triangle and the mensuration. Same process here also mathematics. There's trigonometry. The basics, some basics are there. The trigonometry, the triangles. I explained already types of triangles. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Three types of equilateral, three sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Scalene triangle, no sides are different. So first side different, second different, third different. These are not equal. That is known as scalene triangle. After that, angles are there. Acute angle. So this is a triangle. Suppose this is A, B, C. The types of angles acute. ACUTE. Acute angle. Acute angle means above 0, below 90. Okay, above 0 means like 1 degrees to below 90, 89 degrees. So it is acute angle. Above 0, below 90 is acute angle. So next one is right angle. Right angle means exactly 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees is right angle. Next, straight angle. STRAIGHT, straight angle. It is exactly 180 degrees. Exactly 180 degrees is straight angle. Complete angle. Complete, that is 360 degrees. Complete means like this circle. So this is total complete angle from starting to ending. That's why it is circle. Total 360 degrees. To draw like this line, semicircle. Semicircle is 180 degrees. Semicircle is 180 degrees. It is a semicircle, it is semicircle. So 180 degrees is like a straight angle. 180 plus 180, 360. That's a complete angle. So like this always it is 180 degrees. In the part of half is right angle. So that's why right angle is like this. 90 degrees. It is 90 degrees. It is 180 degrees. This is 360 degrees. 90 degrees like this is the right angle. 180 degrees is right angle. And this 360 degrees is complete angle. Then after that, two more points are there. After it means more than 90 and less than 180 in between one angle. That is known as obtuse angle triangle. OBTUSE, obtuse angle. That is above 90 means 91 to 179 degrees. It is obtuse angle triangle. How to that obtuse angle triangle? Suppose like this is 60 degrees. So not like this and remaining shape of suppose like this angle is reflex angle, but the obtuse is different. Obtuse is it is a 90 degrees. It is a acute angle. Obtuse is more than 90 degrees is obtuse angle. It is a more than 90 shape of like 120 degrees. Suppose 120, 145, 150. These are everything obtuse angle. So after that obtuse reflex angle. So it is reflex angle. Reflex angle triangle. That's us above 180 means 181 degrees to below 360 means 359 degrees. For example, 270 degrees. It is obtuse angle. Reflex angle triangle. Reflex angle triangle means just now I said no. This angle is reflex angle triangle. This is reflex angle. So like this types of angles and triangle. There are three types: equilateral, isosceles, scalene triangle. But here reflex angle, reflex acute angle, straight angles, right angle, complete angle, and reflex angle, obtuse angle. So these types of angles to form. So angles. So here that's what a triangle is. In this triangle, it is known as vertex. V or TX. It is a side. So it is angle. This is vertex, side, and angle. In this formation, capital ABC, combination of A, B, C. Capital A opposite is a small a. Capital B opposite small b. Capital C opposite small c. Okay? Capital A opposite small a. Capital B opposite small b. Capital C opposite small c form. For example, if you find out A value, B value, C value means don't worry about it. So how to find the small a? Between BC. How to find B? Between AC. How to find C? Between AB. Find this after this angle. This is angle, side and vertex. So trigonometry, there is a theta. Theta value is equal to theta means degrees. It's a 90 degrees right angle triangle. 90 degrees. A, B, C. In this right angle triangle, what I told you just now, it is a vertex. Vertex, so this is also vertex, the corner parts. It is the side, and it is hypotenuse. 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 Hypotenuse is more than other two sides. It is more than other two sides. Maybe these two are equal. Sometimes it's not equal, but it is not equal to these two sides. Sometimes these two sides are equal. Sometimes it is not equal, but it is more than the other two sides. It is not equal to this any side. That's why hypotenuse is always greater than the other side in a right angle triangle. This is a right angle. If you draw this like this right angle triangle, so it's a 90 degrees. A, B, C. If you keep this theta here, if you keep the theta, then what happens? So in this right angle triangle, this is 90 degrees. It is the side hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse, hypotenuse A, B, C. If you should keep theta here, the theta opposite, this is opposite side. Opposite side. This is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. This is the adjacent side. Adjacent side. So hypotenuse, adjacent side, opposite. Why? Because theta here. That's why. If you keep here theta, this is opposite side. Another triangle I'm drawing. So Y is coming. ABC. So 90 degrees is. It's a 90 degrees. The theta here. The theta. It is opposite side. It is hypotenuse. Opposite side. This theta is opposite side. Hypotenuse. This is adjacent side. So theta is opposite side. Hypotenuse, always hypotenuse, it will not change. It will not change. It is an adjacent side. It will change. Theta here, opposite side. Theta here, opposite side. Okay, opposite side is different. It will change, but hypotenuse, it will not change.